बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है.
And they must have done an MRI after that?
Then they did an MRI and it's like she had an hemorrhage. And all of us,
My gosh.
after that, I actually refused to recognize people. Like I couldn't recognize my mother, I couldn't recognize my best friend, I couldn't recognize my then and then जो मेरा fiance था. I didn't recognize anyone.
I realized the importance of nutrition in preventing any disease. So you talk about migraine to cancer, everything can be prevented with a good diet and a lifestyle.
With nutrition?
Everything.
Even cancer?
Proper,
Wow.
yes, even cancers. Cancers can be even healed with it when you work on the mind and the body.
The reason why we do this podcast is to spread awareness also about a lot of myths.
Yeah.
I was surprised that menopause was so big and so natural and occurs to every woman after 45, sometimes 45, 50. I didn't know what perimenopause was. So I'm very educated now, menopause. So I just keep quiet when she gets a hot flash.
I actually wanted to be a model.
Okay.
I started as a model.
Okay.
कभी सोचा नहीं था कि एक्टिंग भी करूंगी.
अच्छा.
Because yeah, modeling jobs were different. I used to
Right.
travel all over the world. Used to work like maybe couple of days in a month, and it used to be like sufficient for
Chill.
me. And yeah, it was a lovely.
It's a
thing.
good fun
Yeah,
profession
yeah.
too.
But then I realized that I actually enjoy acting more than I enjoy modeling.
Ozempic and Mounjaro are both injections which came up for diabetes. One more thing, it's not legal in India.
I know that, I
Ozempic
heard.
Yeah, because it is only for diabetic people, but
Right.
lot of people are taking oral medication of semaglutide
Correct.
for weight loss. Now you will lose weight really fast.
And
What
you
will
get the
happen,
Ozempic look.
You get that Ozempic face.
You look
like
old.
you lose fat everywhere,
Everywhere.
even on your face, and you can see that, you can
Yeah.
make it out. And eventually, when you stop it, you will also gain that weight up.
Lot of girls or boys who have got my skin color, they're like, oh, I don't want to be part of this industry because I might not do anything.
Right.
And I'm like, that's
so
not
sad.
true.
Yeah.
Because we look so different on camera, it's just because of our skin color. Just because of our skin color, if there's 10 men or 10 women in
You
the
stand
one
out.
scene, we stand out because of our color, because we are very camera friendly color. So that's why I'm like, you know what, I'm brown queen.
I'll give you a trick here. You can get the same effect of GLP-1 receptor and glucagon without these medications just by diet. One is do intermittent fasting, and second is manage your blood sugar level of any 2 meals. So eat twice a day and start with a salad, then eat your protein, then eat your fats, and then eat your carbs.
Welcome to Unstoppable with Rohit Roy, powered by Right Bite Max Protein. Today we have two incredible guests on the show. First up, Paulami Das, a talented model and actress known for her varied choices in roles like Suhani Si Ek Ladki, फिर Kartik Purnima, and most recently Nagin 6. After facing a life-altering health challenge, Paulami made an incredible comeback to television. And today she'll be sharing with us what it looks like to push through those dark moments mentally and physically. Alongside her is Dr. Rohini Patil, a leading doctor and nutritionist and an author redefining wellness with her company Nutricy Lifestyle. Kya naam hai? Dr. Rohini will share her expertise on a variety of hot topics, especially weight loss injections, maybe Ozempic, and most importantly, balanced nutrition. She'll be giving us insights into their benefits, risks, and safe use. Welcome to the show. Paulami, I've known you a little longer than Dr. Rohini, so I'll start with you. What is the story about the Brown Queen? I'm sure there is a story behind this, but we'll ask her about that later. Right now, because the audience needs to know where both of you came from, how you started. Tell me, how did you get interested in the world of entertainment?
Because it's so beautiful, it's so bright, and बाहर से बहुत खूबसूरत दिखने को मिलता है. So obviously I wanted to be, and you get so much attention from lots of people. So
Of course.
I love, like,
You love attention?
Yeah.
What's your sun sign, Paulami?
Capricorn.
Capricorn, okay.
So yeah, I think I wanted to be an actress. I actually wanted to be a model.
Okay.
I started as a model.
Okay.
कभी सोचा नहीं था कि एक्टिंग भी करूंगी.
अच्छा.
Because yeah, modeling jobs were different. I used to
Right.
travel all over the world. Used to work like maybe couple of days in a month, and it used to be like sufficient for
Chill.
me. And yeah, it was a lovely.
It's a
thing.
good fun
Yeah,
profession
yeah.
too.
But then I realized that I actually enjoy acting more than I enjoy modeling.
Okay.
So I love to be on the set. I love to perform in front of cameras. I love to portray different characters. Where I'm a Paulami, so I am a different character altogether. But at the same time, I get to play so many varieties of characters like
Right.
grey, white, purple, whatever
You've
you
done
call
all
it.
of it, yeah.
Yeah, so I love it. So yeah, that's how I started.
So I know that you're a Bengali, but are you from Calcutta?
Yes. I
Okay.
am from Calcutta, did my studies from Darjeeling, did my college from Calcutta,
Okay.
and then Bombay.
Wow, fantastic. Many questions for you, whether nutrition, health, etc. But we have a expert on nutrition. She's a doctor, and I just realized she's an MBBS doctor, and she's specialized in nutrition. What drew you first to this profession?
So my father's a surgeon.
Your father is a
He's a surgeon.
surgeon. Oh
Yeah.
wow! So he wanted you to become a surgeon?
No, he wanted me to be in sports. So I was a
Oh.
national lawn tennis player.
Oh wow!
So I played until my 10th grade.
Okay.
And the whole quest for me, because my father is already a doctor, it was he wanted me to find my passion.
Right.
So initially it was sports, but then I couldn't see myself doing this for the longest period of time.
But did you
And-
enjoy badminton or lawn tennis?
Yes, I did. It was, I loved playing. I still play.
Okay.
And then I always wanted to become a doctor. It was a childhood dream.
Right.
I always wanted to have that doctor thing before my name. So I decided to kind of quit tennis and give all those medical entrance exams. And 4.5, 5 years of MBBS is
Wow.
quite intensive in India.
Yeah.
And after finishing my MBBS, because of my sports background, I realized the importance of nutrition in preventing any disease. So you talk about migraine to cancer, everything can be prevented with a good diet and a lifestyle.
With nutrition.
Everything.
Even cancer?
Proper,
Wow.
yes, even cancers. Cancers can be even healed with it when you work on the mind and the body.
I might need your number
And-
because of my mother.
Okay.
I might need it.
Yeah. She's gone through a lot of stuff herself physically.
All right. Okay. So it's all connected, and when you study human physiology and anatomy in such a depth, you understand its importance. And towards the end of my MBBS, I realized that as a doctor, as a person who's just become a doctor, we did not give much importance to the
Nutrition.
prevention because
Oh, to
we studied
prevention,
the
yeah.
cure. We knew
Correct.
the medicines, we knew the surgery, we knew everything. And allopathy, is the best emergency medicine, but it's not the best preventive medicine. That is why I decided to take up nutrition, and the journey has been beautiful since then. I was 25 kg overweight like last
Yourself?
year. Yeah, I delivered a baby. My baby's 2 now.
Okay.
And in the span of last 1.5 years, I've lost those 25 kgs.
Wow.
So yeah,
अच्छा है ना,
lots of
डॉक्टर ही घर पे,
things.
न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट ही घर पे है.
Best है.
But before we move on, I have to ask you a question which has got nothing to do with the show. But since you said that nutrition can aid migraines,
Yeah.
my wife suffers from migraines suddenly because of menopause.
Right.
What would you suggest? What kind of a diet or nutrition plan?
So first, I would like to just see her general blood work.
Okay.
When you check their vitamin D levels, B12 levels, because sometimes lower vitamin levels can also trigger it. And especially when it's menopause, your estrogen and progesterone are going like up and down.
Correct,
Something is in
correct.
balance. Your body is not used to it.
Right.
Then you have hot flashes. You have
Like how?
and you have mood swings, and you're not used to this.
You know, most men don't know about menopause in India.
They do.
She had to teach me what menopause is. So don't think that I'm suddenly getting brain fog.
Yes.
Don't think that I'm suddenly getting irritated.
Yeah.
It happens to us.
Absolutely.
And now, in fact, we did an episode with her and another friend of mine where they just
Right.
spoke about menopause in detail.
Right.
So I'm going to send her to meet you.
Yes, because I also study the genetic work in detail.
Okay.
I do genetic work and testing at my clinic also.
Where do you
So
practice?
in Pune.
तो
But
आपको
don't
आना
worry,
पड़ेगा वापस. या तो
I
फिर आप
can
लोग
come
मेल
2.5
पे.
years.
can-
That's
2.5, yeah.
Yeah, 2 and I reached in 2.5
Oh,
hours
really?
yesterday, yeah.
So you're this side of
Yeah.
Aund, Baner, any of them?
Korega Park.
Korega Park is in the center of Pune. I know Pune. Yeah. Anyway, but I'm going to make sure that she either speaks to you over the
Yes.
phone or maybe you can tell
Anytime.
her.
We do a lot of Zoom consults.
Right?
So that's fine.
Perfect,
yeah.
perfect.
Yes.
Because I think that as husbands, we need to know why our wife is going through something.
Yes.
And strangely in India, like my mom doesn't understand it because she must have gone through it. Nobody
she
must
didn't
have done
realize
anything.
it.
She didn't realize,
Yeah.
and they used to work
You just
a
brush
lot
it under
that
the
time.
carpet.
Because I think menopause, as well as like for our generation, we know this.
You
word,
know
but
about it. Yeah.
Even my mother, she doesn't know what menopause
Yeah.
is.
Absolutely.
So it was not. I think it was not. People didn't talk about
Yeah.
it. Even if
Yes.
they went through all of those
Yes.
dates, but they never talk about it because they did not know
did
what
Yeah.
menopause is.
That's exactly why we
yeah.
do this.
Yes, same thing about postpartum depression.
Yes,
It's
yeah.
so common. It's
Really?
so common.
Yeah.
Even our mothers have gone through it, but they don't
They
know
don't
they've
know.
gone through it. And
Because
And they
they
never
don't know
spoke about it.
There's
They
something
don't.
exists.
Awareness,
postpartum
na?
is-
Awareness
yeah.
nahi tha tabhi.
Yeah, yeah.
And that time the woman was the solid force of the house. She had to run everything. She had to work on herself. I mean, now we have five people running the house.
Absolutely.
But yeah, so the reason why we do this podcast is to spread awareness also about a lot of myths.
Yeah.
I was surprised that menopause was so big and so natural and occurs to every woman after 45, sometimes 45, 50. I didn't know what perimenopause was. So I'm very educated now with menopause. So I just keep quiet when she gets a hot flash. So I'm also learning.
You can bring her a gift or a chocolate.
Yeah, tell me all those things. That you can tell me on my
That I
phone.
will tell you.
That I'll keep doing every time she gets that. Yeah, no, but you have to be patient. Also, see, also at the same time, we men are going through menopause also, you know. So we also have our, it might not be a medical term, but we have so many other issues. But I've learned how to handle it after 2-3 years. Let's get back to nicer, happier things. What is this? Brown Queen. Was it coined, this word was coined during your stint in Big Boss? Because
No, even way before that.
Way before that.
So-
But in Big Boss, I believe... Okay, tell me the story, then I want to ask you something about Big Boss.
So, Brown Queen, it's not like, okay, now people started calling me because, okay, Big Boss is a bigger platform. It, like, millions people, they watch Big Boss. So that's why now, okay, she is...
Oh, so
Brown-
you were coined before
yeah,
that.
way before. Like, I'm talking about
What is it?
2015,
What's the story?
16.
It sounds like a fun story.
Yeah, because see, so what happened is like brown skin. It's not very common in our entertainment business. Like there are,
Right.
but it's not very common.
Not very common.
So what happens is like lot of girls or boys who have got my skin color. They're like, oh, I don't want to be part of this industry because I might not do anything.
Right.
And I'm like, that's
so
not
sad.
true.
Yeah.
Because we look so different on camera. It's just because of our skin color. Just because of our skin color, if there's 10 men or 10 women
You'll
in the
stand
one
out.
we stand out because of our color, because we are very camera friendly color. So that's why I'm like, you know what, I'm brown queen. And अभी बहुत लोगों को ज़्यादा
ये खुद ही
पता
आपने
लगा
coin
that-
कर लिया?
Yeah,
I'm
so
brown queen.
नहीं, so brown queen, my friend used to call me, like there was one friend of mine and I think she's married and moved to America now. So she used to call me brown queen.
Wow.
It's like, Polo, you are a queen. And you're brown, so you're my brown queen. So that's what she used to call me. And then वो मेरे Facebook पे भी नाम मतलब
Brown
Facebook
queen
तो-
था?
हाँ मतलब पता नहीं यार Facebook का सबसे पुराना वाला है अब तो ऐसा हो गया है.
I would call you chocolate queen. Dark chocolate queen,
Yeah,
है ना?
I also call it. It's
So,
yummy.
but the same thing that you are so proud of today and so happy with, which you should be, absolutely. I believe that while doing Big Boss, you faced some kind of flack and conversation about your skin color. Is that true?
Yeah.
In today's day and date, and that too in that surrounding?
And the point is, it's 2024. I mean, we have done so many things. Like we have literally went to see Titanic, which didn't succeed. But yeah, we have done so many things, and we still talk about color.
My God.
I mean, okay, I have nothing to do with my color. Neither you or anyone.
No, but
I mean,
what
it was
would they
like-
tell you while you were in
They'll-
Big Boss? I know
oh,
they
she-
pick on people.
She's like, there was one particular contestant, and I think her upbringing is also not very.
Name. We need to name. No name.
Shivani. So I don't name her because for me she doesn't even
Exist.
exist. But I think her upbringing is also not that. How do I say? She's not well taught or well educated.
Brought up, educated. Oh.
So she does not know about a lot of things. So she's like, अंधेरे में दिखेगी तो डर जाएगी. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck?
What?
God.
Like that?
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm like,
we used to use this as fun when we were kids.
Yeah.
You know, not
Yeah.
as a insult to that
No,
boy.
and it is not like, see, even a lot of people, like a lot of my friends also, we sometimes like, you know, make fun of each other, but we don't
Yeah, that's-
insult each
yeah,
other.
yeah, that's
We
not-
never
yeah,
insult
correct.
each other. मजाक करना तब तक सही है जब दूसरे आदमी को मजाक समझ में आता है.
हाँ, और बुरा
तब तक
ना
करो.
लगे किसी को.
किसी को बुरा ना मतलब बुरा लगने के लिए बोलना, insult करना, that's a
And
little
then
below the
that
belt.
caught fire while in
Oh
Big
my
Boss.
god! I don't take it. I don't take it very well.
How did
I
you
was
handle
not-
it? That was my question to you.
गाली देके मैंने उसकी माँ बहन एक कर दी होगी.
और Big
मैंने
Boss में
बोला-
तो सब allowed
मैंने
है.
बोला भाई don't mess with me. If I'm nice to you, you respect that. You
Right.
respect my होता है ना मेरे वजूद को भी respect करना सीख लो वरना I don't care who you are. तुम ना मुझे खाना खिलाती हो ना मुझे पढ़ाती हो ना तुम मेरे लिए
Correct.
कोई
Yeah,
लगती
you're
हो.
not. I'm
The
not.
moment I'm out of this show, I don't know you, bro.
But ये
So
तो
you-
सिर्फ बिग बॉस था और बिग बॉस में
हाँ.
तो we know that people pick on each other because they want that kind of an
There are a
atmosphere.
lot of
That is
things were
also
picked,
like
like my clothing sense. I wear whatever I'm comfortable with. If you're
But
not
you dress
comfortable,
very
it's
well all
okay.
the time. Yeah?
Yeah, but she's like, oh, she wears deep neck clothes. She wear bikini. I do wear it. So what? I'm comfortable with
swimming
it.
pool में और
Am I
क्या
asking you
पहनेंगे?
to wear it? Am I wearing those?
You're quite
clothes?
bold, I must say, very outspoken, which is
Yeah.
fantastic.
I don't
More
care.
power to your
See,
sister.
the point is, if I'm going to a mandir, I'm not going to wear anything inappropriate. I
Correct.
know what to wear, how to handle.
But did you
it,
feel
inside.
this kind of what should I say, not being sidelined, but kind of sidelined in a career because of your skin?
Absolutely.
Never, no?
Absolutely. I am here today, it's because of my skin. I look different, it's because of my skin. And lots of shows I did. Actually, my first show, Suhani, it was for my skin. They wanted a dusky girl
Right.
and they were not able to find anyone. And they specifically wanted someone who is from London and होता है ना वैसे type
But
का
as a
किसी को
model,
चाहिए
so
था।
you must have been the toast of the city, yaar, wherever
I
you
work
went,
with-
because this skin is.
You name the designer, I've worked
Yeah.
with them. Like I've worked with so many international brands like Guess, Gucci, and all.
Wow.
So yeah, it's good.
See, I know now people pay for a skin color.
Are you serious?
They want to get tanned.
My
They really want to get tanned.
constant this thing is to get tanned.
Exactly.
I'm the first one on the beach, and my wife says कि छुट्टी के लिए आए हो कि tan करना है?
Yeah.
सर नहीं, tan करना पड़ेगा.
You have these studios like
हाँ.
abroad,
Yeah,
you
tanning
have it, and
studios.
it's
Yeah.
a thing now. It's,
See, you're so lucky now.
You're lucky. You
Yeah,
have
you're
it,
blessed.
yeah.
Yeah, so many of my friends are like, oh, let's go to the beach, let's get tan. It's like, you will turn red, I'll turn brown. So yeah, it's like,
So I was going through your social media, etc., whatever's about you. You seem to have a very rosy life. कुछ गड़बड़ है ही नहीं इसके बारे में. मैं तो पूछूंगा क्या इससे? तो ये सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया कंजम्पशन के लिए कि लाइफ में कुछ स्ट्रगल आई है वहां से यहाँ तक पहुंचने में.
Of course, there has been a struggle.
Would you like to share some?
Yeah, so simple fact that after doing MBBS, I took up nutrition.
Right.
People don't take nutrition after studying MBBS. It's like
Yeah.
a step down. You do surgery, you do gynec. My own father is a surgeon, so
Right.
it was quite looked down upon. When I did MBBS, we had a batch of 105 people. Nobody spoke to me for 3-4 years.
Wow.
When I started working, I was freelancing, and when I was freelancing, people would literally tell me there are 10 nutritionists on the street. Why are you different? I said, this is my qualification, and they were like, no, we don't know what is MBBS. So,
What?
Yeah, and I was surprised. Like they didn't know what it takes to become a doctor in a country like India, because becoming a doctor in India is very special because the amount of cases that you
Correct.
get to see, you get to work on patients one-on-one, which you don't get in any other country. So it took me a while to establish my presence as a doctor. Also, when I started working, I realized that there are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to diet and nutrition.
Right. Oh
आज
yeah.
WhatsApp पे कोई बोलेगा कि ये करो,
हर
सबको
सुबह
वही-
कोई ना कोई
हर
मैसेज आता
सुबह.
है
It's a
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
पे
university.
और Google पे तो हर चीज के
Yes.
10 जवाब है.
Yes. Then they will come to us and question. As a doctor also, people will search things on Google and come with a diagnosis. And I will be like, wait, you don't have a cancer. You don't have, just wait, let's analyze and, let's see properly what you have. So it took me a while, but then when I wrote my first book.
What was your book called?
It's called The Lifestyle Diet.
The Lifestyle Diet.
Yes.
Did you get it for me?
Yes, I've gotten that
Ah,
big hamper for
kya
you, that
baat hai.
entire box is for you. I
Huh.
have a lot of health products also, which I have designed. So I've gotten everything for you.
Oh, nice.
So this,
Oh, I didn't know this.
yeah.
You design your own
I've
health
designed,
product?
yes, I have designed energy bars. I
Wow.
have designed collagen, which is
Wow.
a fish marine collagen.
Wow.
You will see a lot of vegan collagen options. in
Oh,
the
भाई
market.
साहब, आप लोगों का
But-
competition यही बैठा है. See, that's
No,
how,
no.
I'll
But-
just pause you for a second so
Right.
that our audiences know. So everybody comes and thinks that, Right Bite is the presenter of the show and all that. But never have I once plugged it.
Right.
And we have people like her. I mean, I didn't know that she's
Yeah.
also creating something which is an energy bar.
Yes,
So the
yes,
concept
yes.
of this show is to give them the truth.
Absolutely,
Carry on.
Absolutely. So another thing I face is like, people are like, there is vegan collagen. Vegan collagen doesn't exist.
Yeah, what
Collagen
is it?
just non-veg.
Right.
It cannot be veg because your body has to, if you're having something vegan, your body has to make it. So
Or if you're taking from outside, it has to be beef stock, right?
yes,
That's the
beef
best.
or fish,
fish,
or
marine,
chicken,
or-
anything,
yeah.
anything. So my biggest struggle, which I still feel exists today, is creating the right awareness. And as a doctor, I know बकवास कौन कर रहा है and what is the truth.
आप दोनों में बहुत सिमिलैरिटी है वैसे दोनों को पता है बकवास कौन कर रहा है
You just know it. You know what works with the human physiology and you know what doesn't. So when I speak about that on social media, I still get a lot of trolls.
Really?
People question my degree. People
People question a
randomly start
doctor after
abusing.
reading Google.
See, a
Yeah.
lot of people
This is
even does
India.
not consider nutrition as a doctor.
They
Yeah,
don't.
nobody
I'm
does.
not-
Nobody
I'm
does.
not
You either
kidding.
study straight nutrition and
Yeah,
you
they're
start.
like, oh, but she's not a doctor. If you say, I mean, but she has like what?
But she is a doctor.
Yeah,
It's
but
a
if
reverse.
you're a doctor, they'll be like, you know, you're some COVID doctor or you're
हाँ कुछ
you're
गड़बड़ हो गई होगी इसलिए न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट बन गए हो
Yeah. So I think nutrition is also very close to people's heart. Like the other day, I have been speaking a lot against oats. And
Against oats, I also read about this.
Yeah.
Great.
But when I do that, it's somewhere like it touches people's sentiments and they just start abusing you on social media. And I don't know where it comes from because you are just talking so scientifically.
Also, we
about
also just
something.
got to know. So the more the
Yes.
things are coming out now, thanks to social media, etc., we get to
Yeah.
know. Earlier, I used to start with my day with either oats or cereals. And then I read this article and saw a video which said that your insulin spike is maximum if you have sugary things in the morning.
Yes.
Have
yes.
savory thing. हमारे इंडियन में कितना है चिल्ला है ये है वो है. So breakfast was actually started by a company
Yeah.
to sell their product.
Yes.
What
Well,
is
I
cereal
don't
का
do
जो नाम
breakfast
है?
in the morning, so I have
No, I
nothing
won't. Started.
Yeah, very. If you hear the story about very sadistic story. So it's
Tell us a story. चलेगा हम लोग सुन सकते हैं.
so, so he actually there's a word for it. It's called peasant food.
Peasant food.
Yeah, it
Like-
was made to make people drowsy and make their brain slow and for like
Oh wow.
you know you do those mazduri kind of work.
Hmm.
It was for that kind of you know work. It's not if you want to keep your mind alert and if you want to be on your toes, you need to eat a breakfast which is super high in protein and super low in carbs. Your breakfast first
उल्टा
meal
है.
of the day. यहाँ पे उल्टा है.
मैं तो अंडे खाती
What is
हूँ।
marketed
हाँ.
is also is ulta.
Hmm.
So you need to like if you want to be highly alert,
Hmm.
you cannot have breakfast that is
So high
super rich in
protein
cereal.
and good fat also.
good fat.
Because my breakfast is 6 boiled eggs and half of avocado.
Lovely.
That's good, no?
That's good.
तो
My
carb तो है
breakfast
नहीं
is
उसमें.
Ghee coffee. I put this
Yeah.
much ghee in my coffee and I just.
I
drink it.
did that when I was doing keto, but then I got scared कि इधर से भी because I'm already in calorie deficit.
Right,
इतना घी
right,
डाल
right.
दूंगा तो कैलोरी आ जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
नहीं.
Mine in sunny side up,
depends on-
one slice of sourdough toast. I'm done.
Super.
That's it.
Mind blowing.
Yeah.
Huh.
Sunny side ups.
So you are coming to us with a lot of information, but currently I want to talk to her about. It'll interest you also about
Yeah.
your recent health scare. I'm really sorry, but I didn't
You did
know
not
about it.
know
No, I
about it,
didn't know
huh?
about it, and I don't know how I must have missed it because it must have been in the press.
Yeah. No,
What?
actually, no, because you don't know, because I didn't tell you. Like everybody got to know during Big Boss because I spoke about
Spoke
it.
about, huh?
Yeah,
There you
so
go.
before that, no one knew. Only Gurpreet,
Right,
that friend of
right,
mine,
right.
she knew.
Right.
Few of my close friends
Knew.
and that's it.
Would you like to talk about it?
Nothing. I've had brain hemorrhage in 2022, October 11th.
Brain hemorrhage.
Yeah.
That's.
And how did that?
No idea. So it's
So
like,
there you can't come to know how it happened?
no. So what happened? I was in right before that I got engaged. So I was very happy. I went back to Calcutta.
Oh my gosh.
Celebrated Durga Puja with my entire family after good 6 years.
Huh.
So I was very happy. मैं Bombay वापस आई, and then all of a sudden I was having like massive headache. I don't know why. I called my mother. I was like, Mom, I'm having a massive headache. I don't know what it is happening because I'm not feeling too well. My mom was like, it's maybe because you're traveling so much. You're not getting proper rest. You were like awake throughout the night during Durga Puja. Maybe because of that. And on 11th, I'm talking about this on 11th, the night of 11th of October. 12th, since early morning, I couldn't, like I was literally screaming on the floor because my head was like, I was like, I'm gonna die right
And
now.
were you alone at that point?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh God.
So I called my friend. She lives right next to my house. I was like, please come. There's something wrong with me. I'm on the floor and I can't differentiate anything. So I think मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है मैं घर पे हूँ. There's something happening. So she got scared. She came and then I was just on the floor. I was just on the floor, not making any noises. I was just like this. So she got extremely scared. She called my mother. She's like, there's something wrong with her. Please किसी को आप जल्द से जल्द भेजिए. तो वो करते करते my brother came. I think 12th को ही वो पहुंचा.
You didn't go to the hospital immediately?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा था हो क्या
अरे
रहा
बाप
है.
रे
She
यार.
was also मुझे
मैं इस
समझ
बात
में
पे
क्या
कहना
करूं.
चाहूंगा कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो किसी के साथ भी पहले डॉक्टर के पास चले जाइए. जस्ट गो टू अ हॉस्पिटल इवन दो इट्स नथिंग, जस्ट गो.
तो उसके बाद माय ब्रदर केम, वो मुझे हॉस्पिटल में लेके गया एंड इज लाइक देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद हर. उनको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हुआ क्या है, बिकॉज अदरवाइज आई एम ऑल फाइन. मैं बात कर रही हूँ बट मेरी बातें ना बहुत इधर उधर वाली हो रही है. लाइक
बट ये तो टिपिकल
Does
होता
not-
है.
does
मुझे
not-
भी समझ में आ जाता था.
नहीं, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इसको हुआ क्या है. यार कोई समझेगा नहीं कि ये चलती फिरती लड़की को ब्रेन हैमरेज हो गया है. ये तो किसी को समझ में आएगा नहीं. बट देन माय डॉक्टर इज लाइक व्हाई शी इज हैविंग. और तब मेरा सर पे दर्द नहीं हो रहा था, मेरे यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा था. तो लाइक इसको यहाँ पे क्यों दर्द हो रहा है. ऐसे मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे कान गर्म हो रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है.
And they must have done an MRI after that.
Then they did an MRI and it's like she had an hemorrhage. And all of us,
My gosh.
after that, I actually refused to recognize people. Like I couldn't recognize my mother. I couldn't recognize my best friend. I couldn't recognize my then and then जो मेरा fiance था. I didn't recognize anyone. I could only recognize my brother and there was one friend of mine. That's it.
Wow. That
So-
must have been tough, yeah.
Oof. But thankfully they didn't have to do any surgery. Thankfully मैंने
So how
उनको-
do so my next part of the question was that how do you deal with something like that and how does it sort itself out or do you need surgery, medication?
Medications. तो उनको thankfully
So they have
on
cut
this
you
side
open.
of my brain was storing blood and water vein में and there was a crack like vein में ना कुछ तो हुआ था vein की वजह से जहाँ पे जिसकी वजह से it was storing water and blood. Because of that happened and उनको पता नहीं ये कब से था. ये हो सकता है सालों से है. So you don't know when it happened. अभी के तभी हुआ
How
है.
did you after that you came back and shot for Nagin 6?
Yeah. So
How?
Obviously I was on a lot of medication. I used to have like 18 medicines a day for good 1 year. And
it's all done and dusted now?
Yeah. I'm all good. And I don't have memory for good through 2-3 months. So I don't remember. Like how whatever I'm telling you right now, I don't remember it because I got to know later on from my friends.
Oh gosh.
So I don't remember it. They took
So
me
as a
back to
doctor,
Calcutta.
you can't come to know after an MRI also that why it happened?
You can find out on MRI when it's happening.
Huh.
But I don't think she's had a severe symptom like this to detect it before.
Yeah.
If she would have had a severe headache and like we now take it so seriously that we immediately send for an MRI, then you can diagnose
No,
it.
as in like why didn't the doctor know why it happened? You don't know. You can't know.
It can be detected only on an MRI or a CT. But maybe if she would have like as a prevention gone and just checked if everything is fine.
Then you
it would
hit
have
back
been safe.
and you came back with
Then I
Nagin 6.
came back.
And physically
started
demanding show that was,
Yeah.
yeah. Well done.
No,
well
it was
done.
it was actually tough, Rohit. It was really tough because people refused to work with me. They were like, no, you have a lot of health issues. I don't think you. I recently spoke about it. There was this one production house. So उनका पूरा leap वगैरह हो रहा था तो वो लोग पूरा cast change कर रहे थे. So they were like, Paulomi, we want you to come on board as the lead
Right.
of our show. They changed me overnight because they got to know about my health issue. And I'm
Oh,
like,
God.
but
That's
it
nasty.
has nothing to do with my health. You want me to work for 12 hours?
I'm
will
working.
work for 12 hours. But I have asked you, I'm not going to do any extra time. Overtime मैं नहीं करूँगी. Otherwise, I'm going to be there for 12 hours. मुझे गधों की तरह काम
Television,
करना है.
nah, they can't
They
take, they don't
replaced
take
me
that
overnight.
chance. Yeah.
I was so like एक होता ना shock.
We all have been
I
replaced.
was like, I'm like, क्या है ये? I got नागिन और वो शो बंद भी हो गया. वो
you
शो बंद भी हो गया.
look so happy about it. वो बंद हो गया.
वो तो बंद भी हो गया. I started shooting.
I
for
would have
Nagin.
thought you're an Aries here. You're like a child sign. क्या हुआ? वो शो बंद हो गया? मेरा शो चला सुपर हिट हो गया.
Yeah, well, I'm not. I don't care.
You're being extremely brave, but I can only imagine what you must have gone through in those
What I
times.
see, what I went through, that is still fine. What my
Yeah.
parents,
Parents
my
were-
family
oh
went
my
through
God,
was
yeah.
horrible.
Very tough.
Yeah.
मैं तो फिर भी संभाल लूंगी because I'm young. I will
Yeah.
still be fine with it. And it's like मैं संभाल लूंगी. But what my parents went through, what my family went through was like जब डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं ना तो हमें पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा. Just imagine what my
Oh
parents
God.
went through. They don't know either I will be fine or not. जब मैं like I was like a proper vegetable. Like I was like मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती थी. मम्मी ऐसे उठाती थी, खाना खिलाती थी, मैं सो जाती थी. 18-19 घंटे में सोती थी दिन में because of those medicines. Because they're like very high dose medicine. उफ, मैं सिर्फ सोती थी. मैं सिर्फ उठती थी, मम्मी कुछ भी करके बोलते ना पतला वाला खाना
खिलाना
नहीं होता
बोलता,
है,
हाँ,
वो खिलाती थी और मैं सो जाती थी।
मसूर दाल जॉल
या वो भात के
हाँ,
मिक्सर
mix
ग्राइंडर
करके,
ग्राइंड करे
yeah.
डाल दिए खेलो।
But the story here to know is that in spite of what she goes through, looking at you today, nobody can even guess what you must have gone
My
through.
doctors, when I went back for my checkup after 1 year, सब मुझे ऐसे ना घूर रहे थे ना, like ये मुझे घूर क्यों रहे हैं?
They must have seen you in that condition.
नहीं तुम यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस होके गई हो, तुम खाना नहीं खाती थी, तुमने सब पे चिल्लाया है। मैंने बोला अब मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है। बोला नहीं इन सबको याद है।
इन सबको याद है।
And they were like, we really can't recognize this girl was that girl जो admit होकर गई थी, जिसको निकाल के गए।
That's exactly the point of the show called Unstoppable. You are truly unstoppable. Also, guys, this is a personal thing I want to ask her. It's got nothing to do with me, but there are a certain drugs or injections that have become, you know, everybody wants to lose weight. मतलब आप 12 साल के हो या 70 साल के हो या बीच में हो, constant struggle to lose weight, and currently because our lives have become so in your face, social media है, आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं, और normal लोगों के लिए भी, like they want to look good, and there's nothing wrong with it.
nothing wrong.
What's this new thing called Ozempic and Mounjaro injections?
What is that?
So whatever I know is that these are supposed to be blood pressure medications which people are now diabetes, right?
Yes.
Sugar, and people are using it for
weight loss.
For weight loss.
Yes.
Can you tell our audiences who might be thinking whether they work or they don't work? Say something.
So Ozempic and Mounjaro are both injections which came up for diabetes. They have this active compound which is called as semaglutide. And semaglutide basically activates something called as GLP-1 receptors in our body, in our pancreas, which help you balance your blood sugar levels.
Okay.
So it is excellent for somebody who has been diabetic.
High blood pressure. Okay.
I will tell the pros also. It is excellent for somebody who's 120 kgs, who's 150 kgs, who has a lot of metabolic disorder and is just not able to control their blood sugar levels. Excellent for them. But if you're using it for weight loss, it has chronic side effects. You know, it can affect your eyesight, it can affect your pancreas and give you pancreatic cancers, it can give you a lot of nausea. So what these GLP-1 receptor do, they reduce your gastric emptying time. So the food is digested very slowly. You know, it stays in your stomach for a longer period of time, and it also releases glucagon hormone. And insulin and glucagon is exactly opposite to insulin because it stimulates fat burning. But
that's why, as a side effect, you lose weight. As a side
effect, you lose weight. It is not recommended for weight loss at all.
And tell me, you're a doctor. Aren't doctors supposed to be conscientious and tell somebody that, listen, don't do it for weight loss?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, doctors. And one more thing, it's not legal in India.
I know that, I heard.
Because it is only for diabetic people. But a lot of people are taking oral medication of semaglutide for weight loss. Now you will lose weight really fast.
And you get the Ozempic look.
You get that Ozempic face.
You look old.
You lose fat everywhere, even on your face. And you can see that, you can make it out. And eventually, when you stop it, you will also gain that weight up.
So you have to continue having this?
Yes. You either manage your diet and lifestyle or you're going to put on weight again. But you know what? I'll give you a trick here. You can get the same effect of GLP-1 receptor and glucagon without these medications just by diet. One is do intermittent fasting, and second is manage your blood sugar level of any 2 meals. So eat twice a day and start with a salad, then eat your protein, then eat your fats, and then eat your carbs.
Okay. In that way.
The food will be digested
so salad,
really slowly.
Then protein,
good fats,
good fat, and then carbs. Okay.
That will give you the same effect that GLP-1 receptor does.
So are you suggesting only two?
Only these two things and
only two meals or only 2 meals?
2 meals and intermittent fasting.
And one shake or bar I can have?
Yeah, you can. You can have an energy protein bar.
Okay, good.
So
super.
ideally when I eat twice, like lunch and dinner.
Exactly.
That's
it. I kind of have it 4 times because I have smaller meals, but I eat 4 times because
that is also
working
because
out.
of your metabolism and you're working out.
Probably, I mean, I feel that I'm not getting in enough protein.
Yes.
Our Indian meals, even however much you tell your mother, she's going to make this, that.
My mother is here, ask me.
Yeah? She's feeding you now?
No, not now. Because
call me home for Bengali meal, yaar. She must be making
fish, right?
Proper Bengali food.
She's not well right now.
So
sorry, but abhi, she was like doing well. Last week she was doing really well, and so she's like she got pomfret, chingri, Elish, my father.
Oh gosh,
my
how?
father found Elish from somewhere.
He must have
so
flown
much-
it down from Calcutta.
No, he
Yeah?
found it from our fish market.
Huh.
So he got all of these things, and my
Wow.
mom and I was like, "You're supposed to take rest. What are you doing?"
Yeah,
Ma?"
Bengali
My mom
moms
was
never.
like,
Actually,
"Don't
no
become my
moms
mother."
rest.
My mom was
So
like, "Don't
just
become my
before
mother."
we go on to some other topic, because Bengali है तो अभी
My
खाने
mouth
की
is
बात हुई है,
watering. My
हाँ,
mouth is
अभी
literally
मिठाई की
thinking
बात
of food.
होगी. Then guess how we look like this. Anyway,
Metabolism.
So, yeah, Ozempic and Mounjaro are the two drugs which do not need to be taken for
Yes.
weight loss,
Weight
and that's a doctor
Yes,
talking.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. Please do not do that. There are better ways to lose weight and keep it off for the longest period of time.
And this is the two ways to make
Yes.
sure your nutrition is good. My
What about glutathione? I want to.
glutathione is good for skin, I feel.
ask. Good, na.
Also, glutathione, if you
What
take
is the
it in
injection?
the right dosage,
Glutathione.
it's very good for your liver.
Okay.
It helps you detoxify your liver also.
Hmm.
But now, if you're doing glutathione for skin lightening,
Hmm.
then today, if you're taking 100 mg, tomorrow you have to take 200, then 300.
It's a
and
non-stop
people
journey.
take 1000 in one
Yeah.
go, which is not good. So again, that whole thing that you want a specific skin color, and if for that you're taking glutathione beyond a certain
Huh.
level, then that's not good. for
So
you.
I do take glutathione, but I don't want to make my skin fair.
Yeah.
मैं कभी हो भी नहीं सकती.
But
I
it
don't
works
think
on
I-
your skin also,
So
thin
it
texture,
works for my
etc.
skin. I think my skin. So
Quality,
that's why I
skin
wanted
quality,
to. I
yeah.
wanted to ask her as well, and I want to tell people like lot of people do use glutathione to make their skin brighter.
Yeah.
But you can also use glutathione to reduce your tanning.
Yes.
Your skin will look amazing, and obviously it's a like.
No, everything
Yeah,
done in
it's a way-
moderation.
it's
I think
moderation,
under
yeah, yeah.
supervision of a like she's a nutritionist. I go my doc is very good. I mean, she tells me what I need, what I don't need. She says if somebody looks at like you at your age, then why do you want to
Yeah.
put anything?
Put
on?
anything, yeah.
Exactly.
But I've tried the IV injection of glutathione, and so that's why I'm not getting tanned. यार जितनी
Yeah.
बार tan करने जा रहा हूँ गोरा हो क्या था? ये हो सकता है.
हो सकता
और
है.
इनके बारे में एक मैंने कहानी सुनी क्वारंटाइन के वक्त इन्होंने कोई इम्यून बूस्टर ड्रिंक बनाया था टर्मरिक बेसिल जिंजर हनी समथिंग इज इट ट्रू
I don't remember. It's like literally 5 years ago.
बिकॉज
Yeah,
तुम्हारे
because I do
इंस्टाग्राम
that,
पे
yeah.
लिखा हुआ है कि उससे मतलब ये क्रिएशन कैसे किया
So-
और व्हाट डिड इट लीड टू
This,
What is the
so
purpose of this
drink? My grandma used to make. So this is basically
Oh.
kadha, but kadha
Kadha.
in a different way. So my grandma used to make it with not.
बिकॉज ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर डैम
हाँ.
गुड फॉर द बॉडी
Yeah. So this kadha, obviously, she did not know what COVID
Right.
was. But she never used the powder turmeric, like proper जो turmeric नहीं आता है उसका जो proper वाला.
हाँ हाँ बड़ा
So
वाला
with that turmeric, ginger, honey,
Black pepper.
cinnamon, black pepper, वो सब कुछ.
See, I
मिला के-
remember.
Yeah. तो वो I started actually, and I swear on God मुझे एक बार भी कोविड नहीं हुआ.
कभी नहीं
Wow. You've not taken the vaccine.
No, I
Vaccine तो लेना पड़ता है ना,
तो
otherwise
लेना
they won't
पड़ा
let you
because I was
travel.
traveling out.
But
I
my
know,
my
they're
best
locked
friend Sanjay Suri, he refused to take the
Yeah.
vaccine for the longest time. He
He
said it's
was
bullshit. And
wise,
now I
I think.
realize
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, he was wise.
You see so many
Yeah.
problems
Yes.
happening because of the vaccine.
Maybe
A
this
lot of
could
heart
happen
attacks.
because of COVID.
Possibly.
Because
Yeah.
I'll tell you why. ये मुझे हुआ
It's
था
quite
अक्टूबर
possible.
में, अक्टूबर 2022 में हुआ था. और मैंने अगस्त एंड ऑफ अगस्त लाइक 27th or 28th of August को मैंने मेरा थर्ड बूस्टर शॉट लिया था because I had to travel abroad.
Hmm.
So it could be because of
Possible.
that.
No,
because
there are lots of things I've
yeah.
heard that have happened
the
because
most
of this
common side
vaccine.
मुझे
effects.
कोविड नहीं हुआ है.
Very
मुझे
good.
पूरे जर्नी में
Wow.
कोविड नहीं हुआ because this is the
Excellent.
drink I used to drink every day. Every day मेरे मॉर्निंग में मैं चाय की जगह मैं ये काढ़ा पीती थी. तो मुझे
मैसेज कर देना चाहिए था ना तभी यार कि भैया सुबह उठ के ये पी लो.
But उसके बाद वैक्सीन नहीं लेना चाहिए था.
अरे
But वो तो allow नहीं करते थे ना.
ट्रैवल करना
Like my
था.
vaccine I took because I was shooting in Dubai and they would not
Yeah,
let
they
me.
would not
You
allow
have
you.
to take.
Yeah.
When I was traveling Europe, तो यूरोप के लिए मुझे
Yeah.
वैक्सीन
And
लेके ही जाना था.
Since you spoke about glutathione, you
हाँ.
know I love your skin color.
Yeah.
I'm sure she does too. How do you take care of your skin? Like, you know, it just looks.
I was
I know
just
now
telling
two
her,
things.
I was just telling her right before the shoot, but I started using tretinoin, not retinol, but tretinoin.
Tretinoin.
Tretinoin. Yeah, it's 0.025. So, but जब शुरू करते हो ना, you will be scared because your entire skin will start peeling and बहुत dry दिखता है, ये दिखता है. But you have to continue it. Like I used to use after 3 days, I used to use like this much of
All
tretinoin
over the face?
all over my face, and that's it. After I think 2-3 weeks, this is what my skin looked like. They were saying like shine maa raha hai.
हाँ.
This is not shine. This is my skin
This
right
is
now.
your skin.
It's not even
That
makeup.
shiny?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's not
The glow
makeup,
is
it's
real.
nothing, it's
And do you
retinoid.
subscribe this? You would
Yeah.
say
Yes.
good?
Yes,
Retinoid?
it's very good.
So tell me, now I'll ask a professional. How to use it?
So tretinoin is an active compound of retinol. Retinol is nothing but active compound of vitamin A.
Vitamin A.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you want a healthy skin, eat a lot of carrots and colored vegetables. Even that helps.
Okay.
And this active compound, when you put it on your skin, it helps you generate new cells also.
Okay.
It helps you reduce fine lines and wrinkles also, if you've noticed.
No, tell me the procedure to use. I
How
know
to
all this.
use.
आप देख के समझ गया. How many times do you use
Yes.
it? For
Yes.
how long do you use it, and when
Yeah.
do you repeat it?
So when you're anybody who's above 30, it's highly recommended to use
अभी तो
it.
मेरे को time है, but anyway.
Yeah.
लेकिन हाँ.
You start using pea size of the cream
Okay.
on your skin. After you wash it, use a moisturizer.
In the night or day?
In the night.
In the night.
Not at
Before
day.
sleeping.
Yes, before sleeping.
Okay.
You put that on your skin after using a moisturizer, and then you use moisturizer on top of that.
Like
So it's
Acha,
like a
so
sandwich.
base
Yeah.
also, then that, and then moisturizer again.
Moisturizer,
Any
tretinoin,
moisturizer?
any which
Like
suits your
Sebamed
skin.
and all that, yeah,
Anything.
yeah.
So
anything,
not
anything.
salicylic acid, not salicylic acid serum. They
No, but
the,
for moisturizer.
For moisture, I think vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic.
But it's okay if you don't combine vitamin C and
Yeah.
niacinamide.
Okay. If you
can
just want to do
put-
this.
Yes, and that
Tretinoin.
and use it thrice a week.
Thrice a
initially.
week.
Yes.
Hmm.
After
Monday,
that,
Wednesday,
your skin
Friday.
will get used to it. Then
Okay.
you can even do every day. Like
Every
I
day.
do it every day.
And how you can keep doing it?
You
Yeah.
can keep doing it.
You can keep doing it.
Yes.
And
So
what
I
are the side
recently-
effects? Tell me that.
Nothing as such. If you're overdoing it, then you will have excessive dryness of skin.
No, what doing with like if you say pee,
Yeah. Then there's no. If you're using it in the
वो
right
and
way,
when you
Skin
give
will
it,
like
huh?
You will start peeling your like
the
skin.
skin
तो
will
होता है.
peel initially.
Initially, no?
Initially, फिर वो
Then it does.
normal हो जाता है.
Yeah. Then your body also. So, like I recently saw this interview where Neetu Kapoor said that she has been using tretinoin for the longest period
And
of
she
time.
looks like a
And
dream.
you can see that, and even more than sunscreen, she's not used sunscreen, but she's used retinoin.
No, that's one thing I always use.
Yeah.
Sunscreen. My wife
Sunscreen
told me.
all over.
Yeah,
Wife told me don't step
Yeah.
out of the house
Yeah.
without sunscreen, and it really helped
It
me.
helps. It helps.
Yeah. Okay. So there's a lot of conversation. I want to ask you both one question before we go. Actually, no. Let's do the fun segment first.
Okay.
It's called the
Okay.
Ask Rohit segment. अब मैंने आप लोगों से इतने सवाल पूछे, आपसे शुरू करते हैं.
Right.
Ask me whatever comes to your mind, what you want to know about nutrition, health. Although you're the professional, my personal question.
I want to know what has been your biggest fitness mantra in the last 15-20 years, which you have followed to the T.
Discipline. I don't miss my workouts and I don't cheat with my nutrition too much. I do cheat.
Yes.
Like I was in America for 10 days and I love red meat and I love steaks and I love fish.
Right.
So for all those 10 days, I had dil se khana khaya maine.
Yeah.
So I would say that that's not something that I do on a regular basis.
Right.
Secondly, I do intermittent, which has held me in good stead all the time. And
Absolutely.
I'm usually in calorie deficit,
Yeah.
which kind of makes up. Like in Diwali, इतनी cheating की अभी मैं 3 दिन से water fast कर रहा हूँ. Today is my 3rd day. So tomorrow I'll kind of get into it slowly. So yeah, I'm very conscientious of what I do because, like she said, I want to look good till I'm here.
Yeah.
And I want to be healthy. I work out a lot. And that's it.
Wow.
Very simple. Life is very simple. There's no rocket science to working out and being healthy.
Totally agree.
है ना?
Yeah, absolutely.
So my question is, you've been working, I don't know for how many years. You know, this industry might look very colorful and very beautiful from outside, but you know it's a real hard work.
Right.
So what is your mantra for all the actresses or someone who wants to start this? So what do you want to, because you've been there for such a long time.
You know-
what do you want to tell them?
Quite simply, I'd say that
Yeah.
please come. If you think, look into the mirror, gauge your talent, and please come. Even if it is tough. यार आज की तारीख में there's so much competition in
Yeah.
every field.
Yeah.
Please come here, but make sure that you have patience. You could get a damn good film the next day. You
Yeah.
landed from Kolkata and अरे यार ये इसको ढूंढ रहे थे. And you get cast in Veer Zara, for instance. But there's also a possibility that they'll say कि यार नहीं अभी तो देख रहे हैं. You give auditions. A lot of people, I feel, the younger brigade, get fed up. And they lose hope very quickly. कि 6 महीने कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो अभी you see the actors today who are ruling the roost. Pankaj Tripathi, Vijay Raj, ये वो Jaideep, they have been at it. Gururaj, they have been at it for 20 years, 25 years
Yeah.
of
Some
just struggle
patience, yeah.
and small roles. you know. So I say that come here, come with a lot of determination कि हमें तो करना ही है. And of course you have to, like, I never tell, so somebody is short, somebody say अरे यार तू short है, तू actor कैसे बन सकता है? I never say those things. कोई भी एक्टर बन सकता है.
अगर वो टैलेंट आप पे हो,
टैलेंट है, अगर आपको एक्टिंग के बारे में पैशन है और आप चाहते हैं कि नहीं यार मैं तो यही करूंगा. Lot of actors, you know, they're not good looking classically,
but they're extremely good actors.
So that's all I'll say. And the final thing is लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. Just लगे रहो. अब आपने मेरे को मेरा मंत्रा पूछ लिया है, तो मैं आप दोनों से जाने से पहले before we sign off, आप दोनों से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जिंदगी में कई ऐसे मौके आते हैं जब आप लगता है कि यार नहीं अब नहीं होगा और नहीं होगा. हो सकता है कि आपकी जिंदगी में ना आए हो, लेकिन अगर किसी की जिंदगी में आता है तो स्टार्टिंग विद यू, व्हाट इज दैट वन लाइन मंत्रा यू वुड गिव all the young people?
So obviously I've been through, there are times that worst time of my life, I've seen it, but what happens is like I take my bike, I just go out for a drive, like maybe 2 hours.
You're a bike rider?
Yeah.
Sunday you are coming with us. We are going to Kharghar.
Deal.
Sunday, we are confirmed every Sunday morning 6:37 we go.
So मैं अपने बाइक लेके मैं निकल जाती हूँ, मैं घूमती हूँ, फिर मेरा माइंड ठंडा होता है, बिकॉज यार अकेली रहती हूँ, बहुत सारे ऐसे नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं जिससे बाहर निकलना होता है, बिकॉज अगर घर पे बंद रह गई, so I might do something which I'm not supposed to do.
Right.
And a lot of people have done it.
Yeah.
So what I do is I get out of that zone, I take my own time, माइंड को फ्री करती हूँ, क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट इंडस्ट्री टू वर्क. बहुत खूबसूरत दिखता है बाहर से, पर अंदर से इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क.
So you remove yourself from that situation of pressure.
Yeah, I just remove it. I release my all my negative thoughts, whatever I have.
And come back home.
और come back home, सब सही है, सब sorted है. Next day is full on calm.
Super, well done. This is a really simple and good thing to do. I was going to ask you in the beginning of the show कि मैं आपको रोहिणी बुलाऊं या डॉक्टर बुलाऊं. आपने पहले ही बोल दिया कि वो मेरे नाम के सामने डॉक्टर से मुझे बहुत प्यार था, इसलिए डॉक्टर रोहिणी. What is your keep going mantra? This is called the keep going, right? By Max Nutrition, keep going mantra segment. What is your?
So this is what I have learned through all my lows, is every time you go through, you face.
You never told me that you had a low. हम लोग को low के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
I have had many.
You have had a low.
Yes, and every time you go through any low,
okay,
and you come out of it, there's something that changes inside you, and that's something that changes a lot of things around you. You come out stronger. You come out with a different quality. I feel the person that I am today is also because of all my lows, not all my
absolutely.
highs.
It's the failures that define you, not your
successes
successes.
that make you successful. So I think I look forward to my failures now.
Superb. Remember that too. No, now I want to, before I sign off, I was going to sign off. How did you come out with any one low that you went through? I don't want to ask you the low.
Yes. So I have this now daily routine of 15 minutes. I do gratitude practice, I do meditations, and I do affirmations. I train my brain into believing into something that has not happened, that is happening today. So you can call it law of attraction, manifestation. But I do that every single day, day in and day out, and it just somehow helps me get to where I want to get to next. Every single day.
Gratitude, meditation,
affirmations. Every single day.
So that's a positive thought.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here.
So
and I'm going to keep bothering you, even though we're in Pune. Thank you, my love. Sunday, I'm seeing you for the ride.
Yeah,
and you guys also keep riding, keep being unstoppable. Whatever you do in life, remember, it is going to change. बुरा वक्त था, वो कल बदल जाएगा. So, hang in there. लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and be unstoppable. Lots of love.